demonstrate utilizing electronic media. We secure the table first for the equipments. So our materials are the VGA cord, the power cord and the power source. We have also our LCD projector and the laptop. We have also our wide screen. Let's have a quick knowledge about the parts of the LCD projector. This one is the elevator foot. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to connect the power cord from the LCD projector. And then we're going to connect the VGA cord from LCD projector to the laptop. So you're going to connect this one. Be sure that your hand is not wet for the safety of the equipment. So you're going to tighten the screw. Next one is connect. And then this time, you're going to connect the power source, the power cord to the power source. Then, you're going to turn on the laptop. After turn on the laptop, turn on the projector. We're going to double click the power of this projector. And then we wait for a few minutes to the image appear on the wide screen. One is the elevator foot. Okay. And I think the screen is ready for a good presentation. So this time we're going to turn off the devices. So we start it from turn off the LCD projector, followed by the laptop. Disconnect the power cord from the power source, and then loosen up the VGA. And then from the laptop. So by this time, you are going to take good care of the equipment and materials and put this one in the proper storage for the next user. So I hope you learned from this video. God bless.